Mom.
Shh! Why did you come back? Why did you come back?
No, I just want to say sorry. I just want to say sorry. That's
Listen,
all. No, listen, please, you listen.
Listen, I don't want to hear this. I'm fed up. I don't want to live with this monster anymore. We're just tired.
What are you talking about? I didn't do anything.
Listen, you've hurt
If
people.
you're just listening,
you've hurt
let me
somebody.
explain.
Just get your clothes and get out. For God's sake, I'm no idea.
Stop! Just, Mom! 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 Fuck! Hey, Lou, it's Evan. We met at Hell on Saturday?
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you'd called.
Yeah, well, this is me calling.
You have a knack for timing. What's up?
Yeah, yeah, not much, I don't know. I was just wondering if you, wanted to go for a coffee or whatever.
Sure, when were you thinking?
Right now. I could come pick you up.
You realize it's 3 in the morning, right?
Yeah, no, yeah, I do. That's fine. That's cool. If you're busy, we'll just do it another day.
I'm not busy. I'm awake, so whatever. Let's just go now.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Cool. I'll come pick you up then. Where do I find you? Started fighting with this guy. Like, I punched him in the face.
What?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't remember why at all. And then, I got this like cut here from the fight. Do you see that? It's a bit better actually. I don't know. I felt pretty cool having that. But yeah. So I got taken out of there. I got kicked out. The police came. Yeah, that was pretty full on. And then I ended up spending 2 nights at the police station until Mum came and bailed me out. And then I spent the day at Dan's after that. And then I came back to Mum's, but she wouldn't. Yeah, she wouldn't let me in after that.
And she just kicked you out, just like that?
Yeah. Well, no. I mean, like, there were a lot of things leading up to it, I guess. Like, I did see it coming, but it sucked.
Thanks. So where are you living now?
My mate Dan said I could stay at his for a few nights, and then after that, I'm probably just couch surfing, I guess. I was thinking of looking at, like, student housing or something. I don't know.
Oh well, I'm moving out. I just found a place in Flatmates, so yeah, I could help you find a place if you want.
Yeah. Oh, gee, that'd be great. Thank you. That's Flatmates. That's online, isn't it?
It's pretty good. It only took me a few days to find something. You should definitely get on that.
Oh yeah, no, I'll check that out. Where are you living at the moment?
Just around the corner from here, actually.
Okay. Yeah, cool. So sorry, but like, does this song remind you of anything? Yeah.
Oh
There you
yes.
go. Oh, how good was that?
That was amazing. That was the best.
That was the best part of the whole night. I like barely remember it, but it's the only
Me
thing.
too.
Oh,
Same. Like that.
so happy. I wanted to cry. Man.
We did. Those tears of joy. So it's okay.
Just getting really emotional sometimes.
Fuck.
Hey babe, it's me. I'm so sorry, I completely slept in. I have a meeting with the yoga retreat guy in an hour, so can we maybe do brunch tomorrow instead? I'll give you a call back in 5 in case I just missed you, or if you're busy, just leave a message on Dan's phone or something. Okay, sorry. Bye. Oh, sorry. My bad.
Good morning. This is reception at Mercy Hospital. Ruth speaking.
This is Anne Southerly. Could I speak to the nurse, please?
Sure, I'll put you straight through. Good morning, Anne. How are you today?
Well, thank you. But I'm really concerned about my husband's condition. Could you tell me about that, please?
I'm afraid it's not good. His body didn't respond to the last treatment. I'm sorry to inform you, Miss Sudley. Your husband has passed away. I'm terribly sorry for your loss. If you need any assistance or support, please don't hesitate to call. Anne, are you there? Hello? Anne? Hello?
What?
Why can't you just tell her the truth?
What, Anne? Because it's nicer this way. How would you feel being told that your husband's dead and that you also can't remember being told every day for the past 3 months?
I guess I'd be depressed, but she'd be used to hearing stuff like that.
She'd remember.
Exactly. She's not going to remember every word that you've said, so you might as well tell her there's a reason she's going to wake up alone for the rest of her life. But hey, whatever helps you sleep at night.
But she's lost the only support she's ever had. Mentally, she has no idea. But I'm sure there's a part of her that still feels his absence. And if she really knew how long she'd been alone for, she'd completely lose her mind. She's got nothing left, Ruth. I can't just take that away from her.
It's your call.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
He's gone. Dead.
I'm sorry. Are you all right?
Could you call me a taxi, please?
Anne, how is he?
How's who? Who are you?
I'm Lou. I'm your carer, see?
Where are my oil paints?
They're just through here. I'll show you. Alice will be here soon to take over.
Alice?
Alice? She'll get lunch ready for you.
Ah, yes. Thank you.
Sorry, just a minute. Hi, this is Lou.
Hey, it's Evan.
Oh, hi. I'm just working at the moment. What's up?
Yeah, not much. I was wondering if you're free tomorrow around this time. I found a show house that I want to check out if you're keen.
Yeah, sure, sounds good. I'm working again, but I'm usually done by 12.
Yeah, alright. I'll see you then.
Sweet.
These will keep it warm.
Cheers, dude.
And this isn't the CBD, so can you keep the acoustic guitar to a minimum, also play some tunes?
Sure. Fuck you. And, oh, dude, also thanks for letting me stay here. Like, I appreciate that. I mean, honestly, I would have been fucked without you, so.
Dude, don't even sweat it. It's not like I was gonna leave you on the street, straight up.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna dog you like your other mates, no offense.
No, I'm taking, man. Like, they were actually pretty fucking shit people to hang out with, so, hey, whatever. Nice.
Well, on the bright side, tell us about this girl, Lou.
Lou. Yeah, we met at Hell on Saturday. Like before everything got fucking hectic. But yeah, no, she's a nice chick. She actually said she'll help me find a place to live, like permanently.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I fucking know. Like,
Out of my fucking hair.
no shit. Like, nice girls, right? They actually do exist.
Oh, that'll be my housemate.
Yeah, housemate.
What's up, Robbie?
Dan's friend.
Evan, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Oh. Evan. So did Ange call?
She did.
And?
She said, because you went and blew her off, she went to a different yoga class to relieve her tensions.
Oh.
So, but a bit later, she's meeting up with a guru to do some spiritual cleanse dancing.
Oh, you killed me.
No, she is. It's on her Instagram. I'm sorry, you're not up on the social network.
I'm doing quite fine without a friend, thank you.
Yeah, you are. Obviously. Oh, there's that.
Yeah.
You're being really social, hanging out with Lisa, blowing off Anne.
I don't want to talk about Lisa. Okay? Let's talk about Evan.
What?
Have you found somewhere proper to live yet?
Yeah, Evan, have you found somewhere proper to live yet?
Yeah. No, actually, I'm working on it. But yeah,
Soon.
thanks for letting me stay.
Great. Fucking great. I hate everything.
Don't worry about her, she has an iron deficiency.
No shit.
Vegans.
Good morning. You've reached the Mercy Hospital. How may I help you? Hello? Anne? Is this an emergency?
Hello?
You've reached the Mercy Hospital. Is this an emergency?
I'm calling from a payphone. I mean, I didn't call. It was this woman. She's just collapsed in the booth. Must be like 70 or so. I was going to call an ambulance, but the phone was just hanging and...
I can put you straight through to emergency services now.
Yes, thank you. Oh, God. You know her? Yeah, I'm her carer. She's usually home by now and I was worried. I'm calling an ambulance. She's going to be okay, won't she? Hi, I need an ambulance.